Welcome back friends to the online classes made classic video series prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, KVS at Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes is only discussed. Points discussed are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can have their own innovative ideas and you can share it with others. Attendance during Google Meet. This is a common problem faced by most of the teachers. They are handling the classes through Google Meet and they are not able to get the attendance. One way of getting the attendance is already discussed in the previous video. That is, you can float a Google form with their name, their class and roll number, and immediately you can get the response in the form of a Google Sheet as a response in the Google form. And we can record the attendance of the participants during a Google Meet also. The Google Meet gives an extension for this. We can also download the record of the attendance for reference. In this video, you will learn how to add Google Meet attendance extension, then how to download the recorded attendance for reference. For that, in your Google Chrome, you open chrome.google.com/webstore. In that, you type Google Meet attendance. Okay, I'm clicking it. This Google Meet attendance with the tick mark is one of the better options you can have. Already I have added it as an extension, for it is showing rate it. For you, if you are doing it for the first time, it will show as add to Chrome. It will show here as add to Chrome. You click it. The respective executive file will get downloaded in your computer. Automatically it will check and get added in your Google Chrome extension. It will be shown over here. Extensions, Google Meet attendance is added. At any point of time, you can remove it also from the Chrome if you don't want it. Well, now I have added this as an extension. How to go about it? I am starting a meeting now. Okay. Now yes, immediately a meeting started. You are seeing that this class list has popped up. Remember, if you are having that extension added, this will pop up. Remember, before clicking this join now, you have to do the settings. I repeat, before clicking this join now, you have to click this setting. The meaning is you have to do the settings for the attendance before the meeting starts. Click these settings. All this I think already I have clicked it, for it is coming for you. You can click it. You can click all of them. Remember, tick it and then select it. What is the meaning of it? It will monitor the attendance, automatically remove the previous meet. The meaning is, if you are doing it the Google Meet the day number 1 and you are doing it in day number 2, the day number 1 checks will get automatically removed. If you don't want it to be removed, you just remove this also. Okay, well. Then auto save in HTML file. It is highly interesting that HTML file, when it will get saved with the icon of Google Chrome, when you open it, it will give you a clear picture about in regular intervals how many of them have come in, how many of them have gone out, how many of them got the lost the connection and all. This CSV file is highly interesting one. It looks like a Excel worksheet only. Auto hide update window after 10 seconds and then I'm just leaving it. I'm just clicking it. I am clicking this join now. Please be careful. Before you are doing the joining now, you have to do the settings. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to do the settings. Now I think my meet has started. It is showing something. Okay, I'm just closing it. Now this class list is already there. I can push it, pull it, and then put it over here wherever I want. I can put it. Okay, now you know how to go about it. And here you see nothing has got popped up because of nobody has joined except me. Or I will go for the meeting details. I will copy the information. I will send this to me only as a WhatsApp. I will open it and I will join myself just to show you. I'm joining myself. Ask to join. I will come back to the original one. I will close it. Now it is asking me to admit. I am okay. I'm closing it. Everything I'm closing so that there won't be any sound. Okay, well friends, now this is actually the moderator which I'm having. You see now it has popped, it has come now. Save attendance as CSV file has come out because one person has joined. Okay, this HTML file also has come. Very simple now. One of the two participants has okay. Anyway, now you have to simply click it. Now another interesting thing you see here, whenever you are doing the Google Meet, you might have seen this is the microphone. This is to end it. This is for manipulating your camera. But this tick mark has come. This tick mark means the number of participants who are attending. Therefore, remember things very clearly. First, you add the extension of Google Meet attendance in Google Chrome. Automatically, this class list will automatically come whenever you are starting a meeting. But before you are starting the meeting, you have to do the settings. Otherwise, settings are not allowed. After one or two participants join, this save as the attendance file in HTML will get come out. After the meet is over, download it and check the attendance. Thank you friends for watching, and we will discuss some more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.